What's up everybody, I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna make the obstacle avoidance sensor, means it's a device. So we are working on a breadboard and with Arduino Nano. So let's just make it, and the code will be in the description. You can check it if you are making this. This is really simple. You just need some materials and then you have it. So first I'm connecting my USB cable here to power my Arduino Nano. Then I'm using this small IR sensor. Apparently it's called flying fish. So it have 3 pins. It have a VCC, which is the output, means which is the current, or you can say the positive terminal, ground, the negative terminal, and out means the output. So I just get it here or here, never matters. So first of all, I'm gonna see the code, and the LEDs will be here like this. I'm using a blue LED here. So the positive terminal will go to the digital pin 13 and the negative terminal will go to the ground here. As you can see, it's working currently, but when this will be connected here, the sensor, this one now, so the VCC here and the ground here and the output. I'm using jumper wire. You can find it in Amazon's here. So then the output will be in I think D7. It's not clear now. It's D7, I think. D5. The VCC, which is the white, is let it be 5 volts, and the ground, let it goes to ground. Okay, it's not working, means it is not in 5, in 4. Yup, it's working now, as you can see. See, obstacle is not on the way. When obstacle is on the way, see, my hand is here. Let me get a closer view. Then you will understand. So what happens here is that this device is a sensor. This is the emitter and this is the receiver. The emitter is a photodiode which transmit. No, this is the emitter and this is the receiver. Sorry, this is IR LED which emit infrared radiation. And when a opaque or object come near to the IR radiation, then it is reflected, and the photodiode catches it, and that's why you are getting this type of function here. and this is what is used in knobless water taps, in airports, and in lights which are for the home security purposes, and that's what it is used. And it is also used in set-top box, in TV remote, and etc. So that's for today, guys. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below, and the code will be in the description. I'm not showing the code part here because it's a little bit complicated. You just copy and paste the code in the Arduino IDE, and later on I will make a video how to do Arduino on Android, so be sure to check it out. For that time, bye.